In this lesson, we're chatting about money mindset when it comes to sales in your creative business. So, first and foremost, what I see often with creatives or creative business owners is kind of this fear that you're charging too much or that maybe your work isn't totally worth what you're charging, so you charge lower, but then that's not fueling you in the way that you need to. And there's just kind of all of these layers around giving and receiving money in your creative business. So, what I want you to remember from the get go here is that remember, you're providing value. Your business is a service, like you are providing people value in their life, and money is a tool of value exchange. That is the tool we use to exchange value in our society. It's as simple as that, right? It isn't inherently good or bad. It isn't inherently anything. It's just a tool. So when you receive it, you get to choose how you use it, and you can use it in ways that align with your values. And when people buy your products, they are buying things that align with their values or things that they need from you to get them where they need to be. So just remember that your business is of service to other people, to your community, and money is the tool that is helping them get the service from you. It is that simple. It's that value exchange. So you're not taking people's money. It's not like some secret thing that you're stealing people's money. You are exchanging value for the service or product that you have to offer willingly, right? You say, here's what I have to offer, and somebody actively says they want it and they purchase it from you. So just remember that when it comes to sales, and also remember that the more you sell your products, the more you get used to that process, the easier it will get over time, and the more confident you'll become in the value that you have to offer and in giving and receiving money. I know at first, if you've been a hobby artist or really treating your creativity as a hobby, and that's been a beautiful journey up until this point, that shift from it being a hobby to it being a business, it can feel like a leap to get that value exchange with money. But just remember that the more you do it, the more you do these sales, the more confident you'll get. Another tip I have for you is similar to what we talked about in module 1 about your business being a living and breathing thing that you can treat as like another living, breathing thing. And money's the same way. What if you think about money as a living, breathing thing? How would you want it to treat you, and how would you want to treat it, right? How can you look at that as a supportive relationship where the money that comes into your business can fuel even more service and powerful work that creates positive outcomes in other people's lives? So just think about that. How can your relationship and mindset with money change when you think about it as a supportive tool in your creative business and a supportive tool in the lives of your community and your clients? Okay, so just remember that money is a tool. It is to trade value. It is the unit, the tool that we use to get services that we need. With these mindsets in mind, join me in the next lesson where we're going to chat about your sales process and establishing that for your creative business. I'll see you there.